Welcome back, everyone. I have something a little bit different to talk about here. I found this on Amazon, and it's made by Polaroid, which I guess they went out of business a while back, but someone bought them or they're continuing on. I didn't research the hows and whys, but this is on there. This is an old version. Now they have a 4K one, I think. The price was quite a bit cheaper than the old Session 5. This is my broken one. I'm actually filming this with the Session 5. That's not broken. But it has a similar profile to it. Now, RunCam came out with one of these, RunCam 3, I believe it was, and seemed to be a good product. But GoPro said, "Hey, we have cornered the market on a cube-style camera, if you can actually do that or not." And so RunCam 3 is off the market now. I don't think you can get them anywhere. I saw this and I was kind of curious. I think Foxier has something also that's in a cube. Anyway, I haven't opened this yet. I just thought I would share this with you. I want to break in here and talk about this a little bit. My intention was to give you kind of an in-depth unboxing and review of this product, but after using it for a little while, I really just can't recommend it. So I'm going to fast forward through that. I'll show you a little bit of video after this. A couple problems we had is one of them is when it switched, like most cameras do, the file size gets too big and then it switches and then it makes another file and it starts all over. When it did that, it actually was in a turn and it reset the orientation. You'll see that in the video a little bit later. And then the whole thing was sideways. The GoPro doesn't do that. I haven't had another camera do that. So, I mean, yeah, you can go in and rotate that video later, but why would you want to deal with that problem? The other thing we had is that we could not read these files. I could not read it in Adobe Premiere. The Windows Media Player could read the video, but it could not play the audio. I tried Lightworks also, and that it couldn't load this video in. So I don't know what's wrong with these video files, but why would you want to mess with that? We did end up using it. My friend that I fly with has the Sony Vegas video editor software, and kudos to that because it was able to load it and also get the audio. So I sent it to him. He processed it. He sent it back to me, and then in just a moment here, you're going to see that video. So the video is not too bad. The audio is not as good, but you can decide for yourself. I have a side-by-side comparison coming up for you. So enjoy. I'll try not to destroy you with the...
I'm not scared.
Oh!